Hi, boys and girls. How's everyone doing? I wanted to jump on real quick and just show you something that I was thinking about the other day. So you probably have at home a deck of cards. You can see my cards are Snoopy and Charlie Brown. And I was thinking about some fun ways to practice some math skills using cards. So we can use cards to play games like Crazy Eights or Go Fish or Old Maid. But we also can do some fun math practice with just a deck of cards. So the first thing I want to show you, you need to take out your face cards. So your face cards are kings, jacks, and queens. And yours are probably going to look a little bit different than mine because mine are Snoopy, Linus, and Lucy. And you also want to take out any jokers, if you have any jokers. So right now, in my deck, I just have aces, which are ones, and then I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one skill that we practice a lot in kindergarten is ways to make 10. So to do this activity, all you're going to do is flip over a card. I have an ace, which is a 1, and my task is to think how many more to make 10. So if I have a 1 here, how many more would make 10? So think about filling up a 10 frame. So 1 and 9. Okay, let's see what I get next. Oh, now I have a 10. How many more do I need to make 10? 0. 10 and 0. Another 10. 10 and 0 make 10. 9. 9 and 1. Another 9. I didn't shuffle these very well. This is a brand new deck. 9 and 1. Let's take one from the middle. 4. 4 and how many more make 10? 4 and 6. And what we want to do is get quicker and quicker and quicker and have that automaticity so that we can flip these cards over and say 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 7 and 3. What do I have here? 6 and 4. So just flip them over and make 10. Okay, so that's one activity you can do with cards. Another one you can do, again, keep your face cards out and your jokers, and we can build team numbers. So if you want to, you can take a little piece of paper. If it helps you, take a little piece of paper and write a 10 on it, like this. And then you're going to flip over a card. 10 and 8. What team number does that make? 18. 10 and 4. 14. 10 and 3. 13. And again, you want to get quicker and quicker and quicker. What would happen? Let's see if I got 10 and 10. There's 20, right? So not a team number, but we can still think, 10, 20, count by tens. Okay, so that's another little activity you can do with a deck of cards. And you want to be as quick as you can. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. So this time you want to keep your jokers out. Jokers are really great if you play a game called Old Maid. And if you've never played Old Maid before, maybe mom and dad can help you with that because I used to love to play that game when I was little. So you want to put your face cards back in now, and you want to give them a really good shuffle. This game, this activity I'm going to show you is one that my sisters and I used to spend, a long time, hours. Sometimes we could play it for hours. And we loved this game. And sometimes my husband and I, if it's a night where there's really nothing great on TV or we're just kind of bored, sometimes we'll play this game. It's called War. And I bet a lot of your moms and dads know this game. Some of you may know it too. So a deck of cards has 52 cards. So if you're playing with a partner, you each want to have 26 cards. So you split the deck in two. Okay, I'm just going to do it kind of by looking at it. All right, so that's about half, okay? Now, you play this with a partner. You can also play by yourself. This is a great activity for comparing numbers, so greater and less. So you each flip over a card like this, an ace, and aces are 1, ace and queen. Now, queens are like 12s. This is a big card. This is almost as big as the king. The king is the highest one. So I have an ace, I have a queen. Who's higher? Who's larger? Who's greater? Queen. So the person that flipped over the queen, they get both cards. So we're comparing. We've got a 10 and a king. I told you king was the biggest. So compare those. 5 and jack, which is greater? Yep, it's the jack. All right, let's see. Flip and flip. We have here 2 and 8, which is greater? 8 is greater. Oh, good. This person finally gets a set of cards. 8 and ace. Yep. So we're comparing. Okay. So those are 3 activities that you can do with just a deck of cards. You can do ways to make 10. You can do team numbers, and you can compare numbers by playing war. And if you can think of any other fun math activities that you can do with a deck of cards, I'd love for you to share it with me. Okay? So if you don't have any cards, you can just get little pieces of paper and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and go all the way up to 13, and you can play just like I'm doing with these cards. Okay? So have some fun. And I hope everyone's staying safe and staying well, and that you are working on our agenda this week with short E and fact and opinion. And next week, get ready, because the agenda is going to be packed with all kinds of new content, new activities, new videos. So I'll see you guys soon, okay? Take care. Be good.